Frank, just in case you're watching, this is what used to be the stream. If you remember from the rail fanning video, the BNSF bridge, it ain't this big. And this is what rain does to this creek. This is just extraordinary. I about shit myself when I saw this. But we now have a river. Thought I might point this out to everybody, because that's extraordinary. Here, Matt, you hold the camera.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh.
Launch it right out there.
Alright. That one again. It is almost completely.
It's hilarious, though.
Oh, there's people.
Huh?
People over there.
That's John.
Yeah. This is so cool. This has never happened. At least for me.
It's been like 20 years or something. This one's gonna be big at this.
Okay.
Got some smart people over here gonna jump in.